How to install Notion on a Mac. So having a Notion as a real app instead of just browser means faster access, smoother performance, and cleaner workflow. So let me show you how you can get it on your Mac. So first step, open your browser and you want to search for Notion download, right? Then you can choose the first link, which is from the notion.com. And you just have to simply click on download for macOS. And now it should start downloading automatically. Now when we have our file, we can double click on it. And now the most important thing, you want to extract Notion. So you want to click on this Notion and you want to drag it simply in the applications, right? So this is going to install our Notion. And now if we close this and we open our apps and we can search for Notion, we can see our Notion over here. So I'm going to open it. Now I want to open it. And the first thing you want to do, you want to log in with your account, which you used on your browser. So I'm gonna quickly choose my account. And you want to allow to opening Notion from the browser. And now you can see everything from your Notion in your app. So this was a quick video how you can download and install Notion on your macOS. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.